Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the big one, the Bambu Lab H2S. In my hand is the mysterious vision encoder. What exactly is the vision encoder? Why should you use one? And how do you use it? This is the vision encoder, not to be confused with a print bed. The vision encoder is exclusively a calibration tool. This calibration tool will help you obtain better quality prints and more accurate tolerances. Unlike traditional calibration, which studies the print bed itself, the deviations in the auto bed leveling, the deviations in the tramming, the deviations in the Z offset, compensating for various vibrations caused while printing, and tuning for temperature fluctuation in the hot end, this guy compensates for the machine itself. Micro deviations in your specific printer. Deviations caused by the manufacturing process. Deviations caused by the shipping process. Deviations caused by wear that is unique to your specific usage. This unique wear from your unique usage, from your unique build, can create minor microscopic unique deviations that the printer has no way of being aware of. By studying this vision encoder print bed, the machine can study those microscopic variations in the physical mechanical function of your printer and compensate them in order to print more accurately. Because these changes happen slowly over time through usage of your machine, a single calibration can last several weeks. This, in addition to all of the regular calibration process done by the machine on a per print basis, combine to give you the most accurate 3D printing available on an H-series printer. This accuracy is especially important for those of you who rely on proper tolerances for your printed parts to fit. People who build complex 3D models using dozens or even hundreds of parts that are required to fit together properly have reported simply running a calibration with the vision encoder has greatly increased the fitment of their parts without any additional slicer calibration. If this sounds fun to you, grab yourself a vision encoder and let's go over how to use it. Step 1. It may not look like there's a protective plastic coating over the vision encoder, but there is. Go ahead and find it and peel it off. Remove the H2S print bed and install. You will notice it does not fit the entire bed. That is normal because this single vision encoder also fits the H2D and the H2C, all three of which work with the same vision encoder. Be sure it's properly locked in to the notches in the rear. To start your calibration, touch into calibration. Touch into motion accuracy calibration and press start. Run this calibration with the door shut. When ready, your H2S will kill the lights and begin. This is what your calibration results will look like. Here you can see the deviations in each point the vision encoder was studied by the printer. With the calibration complete, remove the vision encoder and reinstall your build plate. The good news, you can now take that same vision encoder and run the calibration on your H2D and your H2C. With the vision encoder process complete, you are ready to return your H2D to service. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.